Yeah, gang. Price to eventually, do something like this. It should go, on a 2 hour, for today. It should do something like this. It should go down, up, down. Keep going back to this level. Keep like, and eventually on a 2 hour, it should eventually push back up to 1826. But price will do that. It's only like I said, that's on a 2 hour. Um, that's just on the 2 hour chart. That's what price should do as far as the 2 hour. 4 hour, you can see it should do that. Candlesticks on the 4 hour too. It should show you that on the 4 hour too. So just be mindful of that. Be mindful of price can do that. Should do that actually. It should definitely do that. Um, just actually delete this. Cool. Got these little dots here. Cool. So we're seeing on the 4 hour too, we're still in an uptrend. Lowest point price been to 1783. Was January the 7th. And we're still in an uptrend. We're still in an uptrend. It was just retesting back down. For on January 14th on that Friday before heading back up. Now price is heading back up. So this is my update for this week as far as gold is concerned. Prices going back up here, take profits up here at 1827. Um and gold's going to push back up, gang. Gold's going to push back up for the next few days. This is the 1 hour chart. Obviously, we go down to the 15 real fast. Gold should push back up, gang. You see on the 15 more structure. Go to when we scroll down to the on the 15 to look for sniper entries. We'll go to the 4 hour in the daily to see the overall trend. Is if we're still in the uptrend. Stop loss above here. Stop loss like above here, like down here somewhere. And take profit is all the way up here. All the way up to 1827. Right back up here where it was just at on January 14th. Should go to like 1828, 1827. But that's a for like the 4-to-1, 4-to-2 risk reward ratio, and we're in profit, so gold is definitely going back up here. Definitely is. So it's going to continue heading back up. We're still in an uptrend. Gold it was just retesting back down. As you can see, it's just retesting back down, and now it's heading back up in the overall trend. On the 4 hour, you can see that overall trend is an uptrend. Overall trend is an uptrend, and you can see that on the daily. We are still in an uptrend, gang. This is the lowest point price been at, and candlesticks are still above. Candlesticks are still above this trend line. Candlesticks are still above this trend line. So overall, gold is continue heading back up. It was just retesting back down. Once it breaks this trend line, and heads back down to heads and breaks this key level 1813, and we're looking for sales. Once it breaks this trend line, literally, and it probably will break this trend line around like 1822. 1827. We'll have to look at it and play by ear, but it's going to definitely eventually break this trend line. We don't know when though. It might take a few more days. You can see this on the daily. It's probably going to take a few more days to actually break this trend line. Probably like Friday, we should be seeing a continuation. Seeing a downtrend or seeing a reversal. And now we're going down for the next week, which is the end of the month. But yeah, overall, this was January 5th. This was January 15, the lowest price. January 15. I mean December 15th to 2021. This is the lowest price we've been at in a while since 17. That was at 1750, 1752. That's the lowest price gold been at since December 15th, 1752 area. And now this is the second lowest price point that price been to. And this was January the 7th, 2022, and that's at 1783. And you can see from 1753 to 1783, we are still in an uptrend. So don't get confused with that. I know that that gold did break down here, like on the, let's go to the 15th. I know that gold did break down here to this key level 1813 um, before heading back up. So that's just letting us know that price, once will go down to 1812. It was just there though. We would just check. It was just there January 13th. Um, it was just at 1812. So uh, this is 1813. Um, and gold is still heading back up. Gain. This is take profit right here. 1828 level, key level 1830, our key level right here. It should get up there eventually. And I'll keep y'all updated. Like I said, I'll keep y'all updated. This is one of the lowest points that price been at in a while. 1813. It was just here. So on January 13th. And it just got back here January 16th. January 17th right now is Monday. By the end, of this um end of the day, we should see gold heading back up, continuing, letting us know that price is continuing to uptrend back up to like 1828. Before retesting back down and going back up to 1828. Eventually Friday we should see gold probably go back down to like our key level 1813. But we'll see, but we have to allow the market to make structure. It's going to make higher highs and higher lows and higher highs and higher lows. We have to allow that to happen, like I said, gang, this is more like an advanced session, like but like we're looking at what Price likes to do. I know on the 4 hour, like do we go down to the 15 to get in for like sniper entries? Like we could have got in anywhere right here, at 1814, 1813. Once it starts to wick, you can get in. Once it starts to wick, get in. So once it was starting to wick, it wicked at 1813. They got in at 1814, 1815. Like prices at 1819 right now. It's going to go all the way up to 1828. But we'll just look at structure on the 4 hour, and we know that price is going to make higher highs. It's going to take 4 or 5 4 hour candlesticks to get back up here. It's going to make higher lows, and make another higher high. It's going to take another 3 or 4 or 4 or 5 candlesticks to get that back down here. So now it's going to take probably another 4 or 5 candlesticks to get back up here, because that's what it did in the past. It took 4 or 5 candlesticks on a 4 hour to get back up here. So the next 4 or 5 hours, like it was here 1, 2, 3, 4 hours ago, before took 4 candlesticks, 4 hour candlesticks to get back up here. It should take 4 hour candlesticks to get back up here. All right, gang. So I'll keep y'all updated. As far as what gold is doing overall. Like I said, this is the lowest point price been at. That was January the 7th. 2022, and now January 17th. We're still in an uptrend. We're still in an uptrend, but this is the lowest point price been to. Still hasn't broke this trend line, so we're still in an uptrend. All right, gang. I'll keep y'all updated. Price was just retesting. Gold was just retesting. Retested all the way down to this key level at 1813 was just there. January 13th. Now it went to the retested this level Sunday. This Sunday. January 16th. But overall, gold is heading back up. I'll keep y'all updated, of what price is doing. All right. So it's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Gang.